Hello there. Welcome back to EMS Grade 9. In this video, we want to look at a question on economic systems. And this is our question 2 on this question paper. So our first question, that is 2.1, read the name services. So we are seeing that prices are being set by the government. So obviously, when we have such a scenario, yes, it will be a planned economic system. So we have planned economic system. So we are just saying the economic system that we have is planned economic system. So we have the planned economic system as our response. Then on the second part, which is 2.2, these are referred to the image below and answer the question that follow. So we are seeing a cartoon that we are seeing, but we are seeing that a cartoon which has a flag. We see the other cartoon besides that, and see that they are joining hands, meaning the private sector according to the economic systems. So believe that we are given a question, but we submit the one that is showing a private individual on the other side. So obviously, it's going to be a mixed economic system. So we are saying 2.2.1, the response that we have is a mixed economy. And then we go to the next part of the question. It says, discuss one characteristic of the above economic system. So obviously, when it's a mixed economic system, we are going to use the characteristics of a free market economic system and the characteristics of a planned economic system integrated or combined because we have both of them in that economic system. So we're going to see some resources are being owned by the private sector, whereas some resources are going to be owned by the government. So we have the characteristics articulated on the other section, whereby the first one is that the private sector controls some of the natural resources and the government controls the rest. So basically, that's one that we can include. But if you go back to the question, you'll see that the question 6 that you can also opt for in all industries is allowed. So it means private ownership is also allowed in a mixed economy. The government also provides etc. So this is another explanation that you can give. Then the government ends problems faced by the economy, and then lastly, government controls business practice through labor, consumer, and environmental law. So out of these options that you have, you can just pick one that you can include another statistic. So we go to 2.3. 2.3 reads, read the following scenario before answering the questions. The scenario reads, your mom buys old jeans from a second-hand store. She pays 20 rand per pair and recycles each pair into 3 handbags. She then sells the handbags to a large group of customers in the local community. We can pop-up market for 50 rand per bag. So we see that this is the scenario that you are given, and then we go to our question saying motivate why the above scenario can be identified with a free market economy. So obviously, we know that a free market economy is associated with also private ownership of resources, and we've got the business is also being run by private individuals. So that is the reason why we can describe it as a private as a free market economy, since we are seeing that there's free ownership of business. We are seeing that the mom is operating a business which gives the essence that it's a free market economy. Remember, in a planned economy, we don't have a private ownership of businesses. So this makes it clear. So we have other section that explains that the business freedom to be able to own business is the first that we have, and then also when the business is competitive. So when the business is competitive, we are saying the market, there are many buyers and sellers in the market, and that's basically the description of being competitive, and that we have other businesses that are also operating in that market. So basically, that's what we have in terms of 2.3. Then we go to this becomes the last question that we have according to this video. So thank you for listening to examination questions on this channel. So let's subscribe and share. Let's turn on the notification button after subscribing so that you get notified of our new videos. Meet again in the next video. As for this video, I'm out.